I'm Joanne, and I'm Matt's mom. I was born with a port wine stain, better known as a birthmark. And I also had a syndrome called Klippel-Trenaunay-Weber syndrome. I didn't know, though, until almost 40 years later when I fell on a patch of ice in upstate New York. It consists of lymphatic, circulatory, and neurological issues. My deformity that I have now, I didn't have for the first 40 years of my life. Now, wherever I have the birthmark has swollen, my arms, my lips, my face, my chest, my back, you name it, and that's where it's swollen. Many people stare, comment, come up with their own conclusions. It's really just a matter of perspective. I'm here today to show you that I use makeup to make myself beautiful.
Saw myself disappearing